I was scheduled for a doctor's visit in March. So with everything that was going on with the coronavirus, I was hesitant about going.
We still had patients that needed care. We came together and developed a platform to safely see patients via video visits. We were able to connect via Teams, kind of in the heart of the COVID crisis.
Microsoft Teams was very easy for me to use. They sent me a link just to click on, and we were off and running. We were face to face. It was almost like being in the office without having the hassle of driving to his office, finding a parking space, sitting in the waiting room.
Had exposure to anybody with COVID?
No, not that I'm aware of.
The importance of being able to have a visual connection with a patient cannot be overstated. Through a platform like Teams, we can bring care literally to where they live. And our patients are very, very happy to have this opportunity to do this.
It was great. So I'm concerned it's the way to go.